Give the best version of yourself. Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." That is so true. Look at successful people like Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Oprah, Mark Cuban, and any other highly successful human. They are successful because they use their time right. They are successful because they are lifetime learners. They commit to learning new things every single day. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest humans on the planet, is famous for reading more than 5 hours every day. Bill Gates reads one book per week. Mark Cuban 3 hours a day. Notice a common theme here? Successful people never stop learning. Think about this. You have $86,400 to spend every single day. But when the day is over, the money disappears. You can't get it back again. Wouldn't you try to spend all of the money before it disappears? Wouldn't you try to use it wisely? Use it as best you could. The sad part is we only have 86,400 seconds in a day, and most people take this time for granted. Most people let this time disappear without a second thought. We never get this time back again. We must use it wisely. We must be productive. We must use our time to do things we enjoy or use it to set up our life. So we can spend our future doing more things we want to do instead of wasting your time on meaningless things. Use it to learn new things. The time you spend on playing games and partying with your friends will never come back again. Once you use that time, it's gone forever. Use your time wisely. Read books, study hard, and learn as much as you can. Most people give up on their dream because it gets too hard. In their minds, they have already failed to achieve. They stop believing in themselves, and once the belief is killed, the dream is killed. If you have a dream, you must do everything to make it into reality. It doesn't matter how many times you fail. Never stop believing in yourself. If you want to get results you have never got before, you are going to do things you have never done before. Whatever dream you have, use all your energy to make it into reality.